Hi there, Yogi Virendra Yogi from Santi Kendra of Bibinagar, Yadadri district, Telangana state of India. Beloved friends, dear beloved friends from India and abroad, all over the world, the message must spread. Iqbal Ansari, the Babri Masjid demolition litigant, has requested the CBI court to acquit all the accused who were really responsible for demolitions of the Babri Masjid in 1992. What a great man is Mr. Iqbal Ansari. I salute Mr. Ansari. You may not know me because I am not a very famous person, but I have the soul of Buddha and Vivekananda, incarnation of kindness, compassion, love and affection and forgiveness. I follow the path of truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence. I always want that all the sisters and brothers of India, irrespective of caste, creed, race, religion, they should unite, work day and night, coherently to make India a great nation. There has to be no place for any kind of dispute, any kind of quarrel, any kind of differences in our opinion. Religions, let it be at their own place, but we should be just one India. Work for India. And that is only possible once we have not even a single moment to waste in writing, fighting, quarreling, trying to demoralize one religion at the cost of others. We are all one. India has learned this for centuries. Even in the time of Mughal dynasty and every dynasty you see, the Hindus, Muslims learn to live in perfect harmony. That is the greatest lessons we should learn, and people like you, Mr. Iqbal Ansari, I salute you billion times, and everyone should learn from you. Particularly the people from Hyderabad, where I stay, also the overseas, and so many other people who are really having different opinion. Somebody talks some different things, which is very derogatory and which is not in the spirit of unity, integrity, and sovereignty of India. So again and again, Mr. Iqbal Ansari, my tears have been very badly flowing from my eyes, but I have stopped it with courage. But I love you and respect you, and you should be an example for the millions and millions, particularly near about 18% populations of Muslims, and they should already learn lessons from you to live with 80%. The ratio is 18 and 80, 1880. Hindus and Muslims unite, work together, live in perfect harmony. India belongs to everyone. We already have a fierce battle. In the time of Jinnah, we have spread riots all over India. Our sisters and brothers from both the communities were murdered, massacred. That bloody bath is still in our mind. That's why I love your thought of love, affection, kindness, compassion. We are all one. We are all Indians. We are all Bharatiya. We may have different thoughts, but truth will be the same, and that is love. Unity in diversity. That is the beauty of our motherland. Mr. Iqbal Ansari, you are my role model. I love my sisters from both the communities and brothers from both the communities, because the world is one. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Atma Sarvbhutesu. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina. Thank you, Mr. Iqbal Ansari, for your large-heartedness to plead to the CBI court to acquit Mr. Advani, Murli Manohar Joshi, and all those who were really responsible. We do not know. They have claimed that they have no role, but somehow the conspiracy was hatched. Thank you very much. Thank you, viewers. Learn from Mr. Iqbal Ansari, a role model for all the Indians. Thank you.